This is the Dominicana. Sasha Petraske, the late founder of the famous New York bar Milk and Honey, created this drink around 2011. This is a rich, creamy, decadent 3-ingredient drink. What is the crack? My name's the Rusty Bartender. Welcome to the channel. And because today's cocktail is a coffee-based cocktail, today is the ideal opportunity for me to present to you the channel's first ever sponsor. It's an espresso martini. I joke. It looks like an espresso martini. It smells like an espresso martini. But this is a candle, folks, from the good folks at Santini Candles, based in the USA. These candles are handmade and they last a long time. It's the perfect blend of, it smells sweet, creamy, exactly like an espresso martini. Check them out, folks. Santini Candles. You will not be disappointed. Could make the perfect gift for those bartenders that have everything. And if you know somebody that likes espresso martinis, this could be the perfect gift for you. So thank you to Santini Candles for gifting me this beautiful candle. I will leave the link in the description if you want one. Go check them out. If you're a fan of Irish coffees and drinks of that nature, you're in for a treat. So we got 3 ingredients. We've got rum, coffee liqueur, and cream. If you got those, you can make this drink. Let's go. So with this drink, you're gonna start off by using a mixing glass or a huge glass vessel like I have, because I have forgotten my mixing glass today, because I'm such a professional. Anyway, to this glass or vessel, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of coffee liqueur. I am using my favorites, Mr. Black coffee liqueur, delicious. And if you're going to stick to the original recipe of this drink and you're a purist, you're going to use Dominican rum. I, for some reason, in Australia, could not find a source of Dominican rum at my local store where I buy my alcohol, and I couldn't even find any online for some reason. But it does say you can use an aged rum as an alternative, so I'm using the Diplomatico Reserve. 1.5 ounces of this. You already know this drink's gonna be good. Rum, coffee, cream, it's gonna be good. Okay, add ice to your vessel or mixing glass. And give this a stir for about, I don't know, 20 seconds. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Are you enjoying these rum cocktails at the minute? Because I know I am. All right, perfect. Okay, we're then gonna strain that into a chilled Nick and Nora glass. You're then going to layer some heavy cream on top of this. Just over the back of the spoon, nice and easy, nothing too complicated. And as you can tell, I'm a trained professional because I have layered a few Irish coffees in my day, as you can tell by the accents. And there you go, folks, the Dominicana. Let's give this a little sip, see what's going on in the glass. That is absolutely delicious. For me, that is right up there with an Irish coffee or even a Belfast. It's more similar to a Belfast coffee. I will put the link to the video I did of a Belfast coffee in the description, because a Belfast coffee uses cold brew coffee and it's a cold style of Irish coffee basically. with Irish whiskey and cream. This is more akin to that. Delicious. The rum gives it some buttery notes, if that makes sense. Combines really well with the coffee and the cream. This is a good drink. Dominicana. Give it a go, folks. On the next one.